MG Motor India today unveiled the Hector SUV, which is being dubbed as India's first internet car with 50 plus connected features. It will go on sale from next month with pre-bookings starting in the next couple of weeks. Furthermore, MG Hector debuts 48V mild hybrid technology in India. Plus, the cherry on the cake is the fact that the Hector is laden with 19 exclusive features that make it the new benchmark in its segment. With internet inside, the next-gen iSmart technology in the Hector promises to deliver safe, connected and fun experiences. It is equipped with the biggest HD touchscreen infotainment system in its segment, which stands at 10.4 inches. The whole SUV can be controlled by the driver in just one touch or voice command via the touchscreen command system. Moreover, the first in India machine-to-machine SIM being developed by Unlimit in partnership with Cisco and Airtel is integrated with the iSmart unit to ensure the Hector stays connected anytime and anywhere. Owing to the aforementioned eSIM, the Hector will become the first model in India upon its launch to provide OTA or over-the-air updates similar to what we see on smartphones and tablets. MG Hector boasts of an emergency calling feature christened as eCall, which works efficiently to reduce casualties and fatalities in case of a collision. Once the airbags are deployed, the eCall comes into action and sends a message to Pulse Hub with the vehicle's exact location. For those wondering, Pulse Hub is MG Motors' 24/7 customer care center where a response team is always active to intercept such emergency messages. MG Hector is equipped with a 360-degree camera system, embedded maps and navigation system. As a matter of fact, it is the first and only car in India to receive TomTom's IQ Maps worldwide, which take the help of artificial intelligence to update the maps to find the best route for the driver. Talking about the 48V mild hybrid technology, it is the latest global environment-friendly engine technology that enables reduction in petrol engine emissions by up to 12%. It will be offered with the top-end petrol variants of the SUV. There will be a 48-volt lithium-ion battery which will help in storing energy and provide extra torque assistance of up to 20 Nm when required, resulting in a smoother drive. With three key functions, engine auto start-stop, regenerative braking and e-boost, the combination will provide a great driving experience. Equipped with MG's signature design cues including the famous Star Rider grille, the MG Hector heralds a new era for the much-revered octagonal badge in India. Its character lines are defined by geometric shapes, horizontal flow and symmetry. Interestingly, various sections of the Hector's interiors are inspired by modern dance forms. The Hector will be available with diesel and petrol engines right from its launch next month. The 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine will deliver 141 bhp of top power and peak torque of 250 Nm and will be available in both manual and automatic transmissions. Its 2-liter diesel engine will deliver 170 PS at a peak torque of 350 Nm with best-in-class fuel efficiency. The SUV, besides the manual gearbox, is also offered with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which has been tested extensively under extreme climatic conditions globally for more than 2.6 million kilometers. So that's a quick wrap on the Hector SUV brought to you by the famous British marquee Morris Garages. For latest news, updates and more videos from the automotive world, keep following Autoportal India.